English Indonesian future. I will go.
Saya akan pergi.
Welcome. Hey, great to have you here. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your fast lane to language confidence. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for free worksheets, audio loops, and more practice. Buckle up, by the end, you'll say future plans like a pro with akan. Your goal today. Today you'll master future intention with akan using go and one bonus phrase for reassurance. By the end, you'll comfortably use, I will go.
Saya akan pergi.
You will go, singular.
Kamu akan pergi.
She will go.
Dia akan pergi.
It will work.
Ini akan berhasil.
We will go.
Kita akan pergi.
You will go, plural.
Kalian akan pergi.
And they will go.
Mereka akan pergi.
Forms at a glance. Repeat after me, nice and steady. I will go.
Saya akan pergi.
You will go, singular, friendly.
Kamu akan pergi.
He will go.
Dia akan pergi.
She will go.
Dia akan pergi.
It will work.
Ini akan berhasil.
We will go.
Kita akan pergi.
You will go, plural.
Kalian akan pergi.
They will go.
Mereka akan pergi.
Funny mini dialogue. Listen to this tiny scene and shadow the Indonesian lines. A. Our plan looks wild. Do you think it will work? B. Relax.
Ini akan berhasil.
A. Cool. I will go first.
Saya akan pergi.
Dulu. B. You will go after me, singular.
Kamu akan pergi.
Nanti. A. And John? He will go by bus.
Dia akan pergi.
Naik bus. B. Maya too. She will go when it stops raining.
Dia akan pergi.
Saat hujan berhenti. A. At 8, we will go together.
Kita akan pergi.
Bersama. B. Team, you will go in 2 groups, plural.
Kalian akan pergi.
Dalam dua kelompok. A. Perfect. If the tickets arrive, they will go early.
Mereka akan pergi.
Lebih awal. Call and response drill. I'll say it in English, you fire back in Indonesian. Ready? I will go. Answer.
Saya akan pergi.
You will go, singular. Answer.
Kamu akan pergi.
He will go. Answer.
Dia akan pergi.
She will go. Answer.
Dia akan pergi.
It will work. Answer.
Ini akan berhasil.
We will go. Answer.
Kita akan pergi.
You will go, plural. Answer.
Kalian akan pergi.
They will go. Answer.
Mereka akan pergi.
Culture and usage tips. Tiny tips, big wins. Akan is your future marker. Drop it in front of the verb.
Akan pergi.
Equals will go. Kita versus kami.
Kita.
Includes the listener.
Kami.
Excludes the listener. We used.
Kita akan pergi.
To include you. You singular versus plural.
Kamu.
One person, casual.
Kalian.
You all. Reassurance phrase.
Ini akan berhasil.
Means it will work or succeed, great for plans and projects. Quick quiz. Answer out loud. I'll give the solution after a pause. Translate. We will go. Answer.
Kita akan pergi.
True or false?
Ini akan berhasil.
Means it will work. Answer. True. Translate. They will go. Answer.
Mereka akan pergi.
Translate. You will go, plural. Answer.
Kalian akan pergi.
Translate. He will go. Answer.
Dia akan pergi.
Translate. You will go, singular. Answer.
Kamu akan pergi.
Translate. I will go. Answer.
Saya akan pergi.
Translate. She will go. Answer.
Dia akan pergi.
Speak it challenge. Speed round. Change the subject fast and keep akan in place. Say, I will go, then switch to we will go. Answers.
Saya akan pergi. Kita akan pergi.
Say, you will go, singular, then you will go, plural. Answers.
Kamu akan pergi. Kalian akan pergi.
Say, he will go, then she will go. Answers.
Dia akan pergi. Dia akan pergi.
Reassure yourself. It will work, twice, louder the second time. Answer.
Ini akan berhasil.
Wrap up. Nice work. You powered through future plans like a champ. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing these lines on a walk.
Saya akan pergi. Kamu akan pergi. Dia akan pergi. Ini akan berhasil. Kita akan pergi. Kalian akan pergi. Mereka akan pergi.
For more freebies and drills, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. See you next time.